Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure H&R Block for rental property deductions, full guide step by step clearly. To configure H&R Block for rental property deductions, start by launching the H&R Block software. Once the program is open, navigate to the main dashboard. Select the Start a New Return option if you haven't already begun. If prompted, choose your filing status and answer the required initial questions. Next, find the Deductions tab on the left sidebar. In the Deductions section, look for Rental Property. Click on Add Rental Property to begin the configuration. Enter the address of your rental property when prompted. Input the property type, such as single-family home, multifamily, or condo. After entering property details, move to the section for entering income. Fill in the total rental income received for the year. Once that is done, proceed to the Expenses section. Here, you'll input various deductions, such as mortgage interest, property taxes, and utilities. Make sure to include repairs and maintenance costs, as these are also deductible. Next, add any management fees or commissions you paid. Do not forget to include depreciation, which is a crucial deduction. To calculate depreciation, follow the H&R Block prompts for your property type. Ensure all figures entered are accurate and reflective of your financial records. Review the summary of your deductions to confirm everything is correct. After reviewing, continue to the next steps to finalize your return. Once completed, H&R Block will calculate your overall tax implications. Be sure to save your progress frequently to avoid losing any information. Finally, consult the software's tips and resources for any additional insights on maximizing your deductions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.